I don't know, maybe this looks better. Silliness is that you're still seeing a lot of windshield and a lot of stuff I don't want to see. So let's see what we can do about that. Let's see. That's the problem with this thing. A gimbal or not, it's not double gimbaled. So have to deal with that and change it around, because I'd still want to go ahead and do straight to the windshield and not see everything. So I guess this is going to be a planning stage thing, and hopefully we can plan it and get it right. So I'm happy.